What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Simple Dad. Today's video is going to be a quick update because Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 8.5 beginning May 6th. And this information is now confirmed directly by the Samsung's website through their official Newsroom article here. So this is the Samsung Newsroom UK, and it's basically telling us the official rollout has started May 6th. So according to Samsung, the rollout begins first in South Korea before expanding to additional regions shortly after. Reports are also pointing towards a wider global rollout starting around May 11th, including the United States and several other markets. Now, this is the stable version of One UI 8.5, not the beta. So if you've been waiting for the official public release before updating your phone, this is the rollout you've been waiting for. So Samsung says the update is focused on bringing newer Galaxy AI features, smoother communication tools, creative features, and overall software improvements across the Galaxy ecosystem. So the first devices expected to receive the update includes the Galaxy S25 Series, the Galaxy S25 FE, the Galaxy S24 Series, the Galaxy S24 FE. We have the Fold 7, Flip 7, Fold 6, Flip 6, and then we have the Galaxy Tab S11 Series and the Galaxy Tab S10 Series. Now here on my left, I've got my wife's Samsung S25 Ultra, and we'll just go ahead and look if there's any update available for this phone. So unfortunately, no, I have no update yet. We're still on One UI 8.0. Now, I've personally spent some time using the stable version of One UI 8.5 on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and overall the experience has been really smooth so far. So performance feels solid, animations are clean, and the software definitely feels more refined compared to earlier builds. At this point, I'm mostly interested in seeing how fast Samsung pushes the stable update to the rest of these supported devices, especially the foldable ones. And remember, Samsung usually releases updates in phases, so if you don't see the update immediately on your device, that's completely normal. Rollouts depend on region, carrier, and device model, so some users will get it earlier than others. As soon as I start seeing the stable version hit my wife's S25 Ultra, I'll keep you updated right here on this channel. I'm also planning to cover some of the best One UI 8.5 features once more people get access to the final build. Also, let me know down in the comments which Galaxy devices you're currently using, where you're from, and whether you plan on updating right away or waiting a little before installing it. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the Simple Dad for more Samsung coverage, and I'll catch you in the next one.